Hello everybody, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Arpita Akshay. Today's recipe is South Indian style Bhindi Masala. This recipe is close to my heart as this was my first cooking adventure when I was in 7th grade. For that, firstly we cut the lady's finger into bite-sized pieces like this. In different parts of the world, the versatile vegetable lady's finger goes by various names. It's called as okra in English, bindi in Hindi, bendekai in Kannada, and in Telugu it's called bendekaya. Lady's finger is rich in nutrients, helps in digestion, it is good for heart and eye health, also boosts immunity. Now, after chopping all the bendekai, let's wipe off the knife because all the stickiness or the wobbliness from the okra will be removed. Now take one onion. I've taken half because the onions which we get in Dallas are very huge, and chop them into small pieces. Now take 3 tomatoes, some curry leaves, 5 to 6 chilies, some coriander and chop them well. Now take 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and mash it in a masher. Like this. This should be the consistency. Now in a pan take 1 teaspoon of oil and add the chopped okra and fry them until brown, like this. I prefer doing this because it removes the sliminess of the okra and gives a better taste in the curry. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it well. As you can see, the okra have turned brown, and now you can remove it in a separate bowl because I'll be using the same pan to make the curry. Now to the same pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add mustard seeds, jeera, hing, curry leaves, chilies, and mix it well. Now add in the mashed garlic and fry them until it turns brown, a light brown in color. Now add in the chopped onion and fry them until it turns translucent. You should not fry the onions too much. It should be crunchy and translucent. Now add a little salt to it for faster cooking. Now add in the tomatoes and mix it well. It's time for some spices. add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of sambar masala and mix it well. This gravy will be a great combination for chapatis, rotis, jawar ki roti and makke ki roti and rice too. Now I have added 1 glass of water and now mixing it completely and give it a boil. Now adjust the seasoning, add little salt and mix it well. Give it a boil. As you can see, the gravy has got a nice boil. Now add in the fried okra and mix it for one last time and boil it together for at least 5 minutes. Finally, garnish it with coriander leaves and it is done. This yummy-licious South Indian style Bhindi Masala will be your next favorite recipe and it's time for plating. This is one of my favorite gravies which I prepare and it is very tasty. Try it and let me know how it has come. Please like, share, subscribe to my